everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady. Today I am getting a jump start on my heirloom tomato seeding. This year I have 45 varieties that I'm going to grow, not just for me. I'm going to offer some of these plants for sale during a spring open garden scheduled for Saturday, May 8th from noon to 4 p.m. Some of my favorite varieties are represented here, including my all-time favorite, cream sausage. And I'm really excited to be able to offer these plants because these are varieties that you'll never find growing at your local garden center. But these are some of the best tasting varieties to be able to cultivate for southeastern gardeners. So my process is simple. I have filled my trays with my custom blend of Soil Cube organic compost and aged ground pine bark sold as soil conditioner. I do 3/4 Soil Cube to 1/4 pine bark. I'm just recycling old trays, things that I've bought in the past. That way I'm not throwing them in a landfill. I get to use them over and over again. My seeding process is super easy. With my favorite garden marker, which I use for writing my labels, I just create a divot in the center of each cell, and then I gently scatter 1 or 2 seeds per hole. Very specific in that you don't want to overcrowd your pots. The goal is to not have to transplant these again. So from seed, these will grow about 6 weeks in these pots, and then they will get transplanted directly into the ground. Once you've gotten them seeded, all you do is tap that down so that you make sure that the seed is totally covered with soil. Now these are located here in a special microclimate between my property fence and my garage. The main thing about this space is I've got easy access to water. So I'll be able to have a hose here on hand, keep all of these things moist as they germinate in the next couple of days. I look forward to sharing updates with all of you on my 2021 heirloom tomato crop.